Gopal Jee Fabrics is a vertically integrated manufacturer of premium knitted textiles. We combine over 15 years of industry experience with a massive monthly production capacity of 100 tons. We maintain strict in-house control over the entire knitting and dyeing process, yielding rich physical textures and a massive variety of available colors. This combination of industrial scale and precise quality control makes us a highly reliable supply partner for large volume apparel brands. Our state-of-the-art infrastructure runs on advanced circular knitting machinery. This ensures consistent fabric weight and uniform GSM across every single roll we produce. We manufacture directly for t-shirt brands, hoodie manufacturers, and major export houses, supporting them with a standard palette of over 100 available colors. End-to-end control over our production infrastructure allows us to serve these diverse market segments rapidly without ever sacrificing our quality baselines. Our ordering process is built for speed and efficiency. It moves through a strict 5-step pipeline: initial inquiry, rapid quotation, sample production, a 100% quality inspection, and final dispatch. We support businesses of all sizes with highly accessible minimum order quantities. We require just one roll for stock fabrics and 100 kilograms per color for custom-dyed orders, operating on standard terms of a 50% advance payment. These transparent, flexible terms create a low barrier to entry, allowing clients to test new lines efficiently and scale production immediately when required. Every roll undergoes superior finishing. Our standard processing protocols include a biowash for exact softness, a silicone finish for smoothness, and strict azo-free, eco-friendly dyeing. Our lightweight apparel lines include single jersey and 100% combed compact cotton at 220 GSM, alongside a poly cotton blend at 180 GSM. For polos, our Peak and Maddie fabrics are available in up to 220 GSM cotton or a 180 GSM full dull polyester. For heavyweight and winter applications, we knit premium French terry and fleece fabrics, both scaling up to a dense 425 GSM. We also manufacture 250 GSM waffle knits and 180 GSM dry fit micro PP and dot knit synthetics. Across all of these weights and constructions, you have access to an extensive shade card to perfectly match your specific design requirements. This highly specific, comprehensive catalog provides a complete one-stop shop solution for any garment manufacturer. From the raw yarn to the finished fabric, we maintain complete operational oversight to guarantee precise finishing and timely delivery. We require all clients to review lap dips and physical samples for explicit approval before we initiate bulk production. Connect with our team in Sector 63 Noida via phone, email, or WhatsApp to share your specific fabric requirements today. Gopal Jee Fabrics delivers the precise scale, operational flexibility, and material quality required to build a lasting, profitable supply chain.